Hello everyone, this is a 2012 Dodge Journey, and there's too much noise last night coming up from the alternator, I believe. And then what happened is that I got the warning light for the battery, and finally I made it, and just trying to change the alternator. So the alternator is not good. So we're going to release the tensioner so that we can get the belt off. It's right here. Before we start, we have to disconnect the battery, and the bolt is right here. It's positive, so I'm going to be disconnecting this before we start replace the alternator. So we disconnected the battery. So I just released the tensioner and just pull it up from here. You can see here, just pull it up and then took off the belt from the this pulley. You don't have to take out the whole belt, just from this pulley, and let it be stay there, the rest on the pulleys. And I'm going to take out this pulley right there. You can see probably this one right here. So I'm going to be loosening this bolt here. This is the first one here for the alternator. You can see right there. It's right there. Okay, so I already loosened this bolt here, the first one here, and the second one is actually just behind this pulley. So we have to take out that pulley in order to get the other bolt. And you can see This is the pulley here, right? I'll show you here. This is the one. We have to loosen it and take it out, and the other bolt is right beside this. So in order to lose that bolt, we have to take this thing out. And okay. So this is the pulley. Just took it off from right there. It's right here. So I'll be able to open the. You also need to check this pulley is good or no. But let's take the alternator out. Okay, so I took the other bolt out and show you both the bolts. This was on the top. I mean, this one was the bottom one next to that pulley, and this was in the bottom. Sorry, this was on the bottom and the longer one, and this is the shorter one here on the top. So now this alternator is right there, you can see, and I'm going to move it. Okay, so there is a battery connecting wire in the back. You can see here, right there. That's this one. So you can see that it's right there. So I disconnected that, and then this harnesses this red thing. You just have to pull it out before you pull out the connector. So I'm going to use a screwdriver here. There we go. So here's that thing. You can see here, this is the lock that was on the harness. So I just pull it out, and now it will be easier. Here we go. You can see that. So that harness is the connector is off. Okay, so I got the alternator here out, and we're going to be installing the new alternator. So this is the new alternator we're going to be installing in this. So I just put this bolt first, the top one, and I'm going to be the longer one, that's the bottom one. So just install the new alternator and just place the belt, and everything looks good. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will helpful for you if you like to change the alternator. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.